Kung saan nga may sale, nandun tayo.
Ano may mali?
Ay, saka 50% off ngayon lahat ng produce dito sa Landers. So, meaning lahat ng vegetables and fruits. Kaya ang akin lang, kung hindi siya para sa akin, bakit siya naka-sale? Paano yung mukha ng masaya sa sale? Nakakuha ko saging. 150 pesos lang siya, isang tuba. I have saging! 150! Yes! 150! Sayote for my tinola. Nasa 25, 28 na lang sila. Ay, mas mura to. Naka-sale ba? If it's not on sale, leave it there. Bitawan mo. Bitawan mo. Good. It's not on sale.
Look, it's so nice.
It's not on sale. How much is less?
20 pesos.
No.
350 for 4 pieces.
No. Ang cute. Bitawan mo. Bitawan mo. No.
Girl, unicorn.
No. Bitawan mo. No, no, no. Hawak mo ang see, it's 128 pesos only. It's big. It's big. You buy.
Bili akong dalawa.
Yes, you buy.
Tapos freezer ka na lang.
One more. Buy more.
Freezer
That's
ka na
healthy.
lang. Freezer ka na lang.
That's cheap for a healthy meal.
I need yogurt
Nice.
for this one.
Boodle, 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 boodle.
Correct, noodle.
It's a healthy boodle.
Ito-
I got my multigrain. May nag-iwan sa counter. So, alam nyo na, yung mga basura sa iba, a blessing for others. Ganito yun. Ask and you shall receive, and I received. Dami kong quotes.
At kung saan nga may sale, nandun tayo.